Hey guys, I'm Random Ranger. I made that Spartan armor you just saw, and that was my more or less first true attempt at a costume. I had made one before, but I don't really count that one because I didn't really put too much effort into it, if I'm being perfectly honest. But I realized that if I could make something like that on my more or less my first try without being too much of an artistically inclined person, I spend all of my time pretty much in front of a computer, whether that's working as a software developer for my full-time job or playing video games, one of my favorite hobbies, then surely someone like you, whether or not you have costume experience, could also make really cool armor. And that's really what this channel is all about. I'm really just looking to give back to you guys, the awesome cosplay community who gave me so much support while I was learning and figuring out how things worked, so much encouragement and knowledge. I'm really just trying to give back to that, and I just want to share what I now know in an open and easy to consume format. So I'm making cosplay tutorials and how I make my armor and my props. So currently I have going on a Spartan armor cosplay tutorial series where I'm remaking my entire Halo Reach build you just saw. And I'll be making that along with you guys, showing you how I do that with all of the little tips and tricks along the way. I'm hoping that this will translate into you guys being able to build something just as cool, because there's nothing special about me that making that armor. I don't have any crazy skill set. I'm started off with all of the same tools and knowledge that whatever you have now, possibly even less. And so that's what this is all about. If you are interested in making a Halo Reach Spartan armor suit or some props, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can follow and get these updates as they come out. I will be making some other stuff along on the side too. This is just the first project I'll be hitting with this channel. So depending on what you guys are interested in, I may make something else along the way as well. But that's really what all I'm trying to do here is I'm just trying to give back to the community. But I must add a disclaimer, I'm not a professional YouTuber in any way. As I mentioned, I have a full-time day job working as a software developer. And so I'm learning how to do this whole YouTube thing as I go, but I'm hoping that together we can both create amazing costumes and amazing content to help other people make those costumes. If you guys are making this armor at home, I would love to see it. That's what keeps me going, knowing that it's helping you guys out. So feel free to tag me in photos on Instagram and such, sharing those photos with me. I would love to feature them at the end of a given episode. But that's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Peace.